If they're not sending you the right paperwork, don't do this. And a lot of things we ask, like, why is this matter, right? Because it's a law. It is just a technicality, right? They just really want to find a way we're just really finding a way how we're going to clean up your credit.
Yeah.
And restore the peace of mind. And one of the things that we do, we want to make sure that you do understand the process, and the process does take time, and we are going to challenge everything on your behalf, right? But it does take time.